Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to convert a highlight into a reel on Instagram. Let's get started. Firstly, open up your Instagram app and go to your profile by clicking at your profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then at the middle of your profile, just below your bio and above your posts, you can see circle icon, and those are your highlights. So when you click that, you'll see the series of stories that you added to that highlight. And to convert this highlight into a reel, go back to your profile and long press that highlight and select convert to reel. Instagram will guide you to this page. Now you can choose a song for your reel. So as for me, I'm choosing this song, and then click the arrow button and continue editing your reel by changing the music, add effects, stickers, and maybe some text to enhance your reel. You can also change some effects if you want. So yeah, once you're satisfied, hit the next button, and here you can tag people, modify the audience, add hashtags, locations. And again, once you're satisfied, click next. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.